Hi, today we are going to make Korean fried chicken. So, first thing we are gonna need is a dead chicken breast, about 500 grams. Cut it into bite-sized pieces. For seasoning, add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, and 1 teaspoon garlic paste. Now marinate this beautiful chicken breast pieces for 2 hours in the fridge or in the bathroom. I don't know. For the spicy sauce, add 3 tablespoons regular white vinegar. You can use your special one if you have. Half cup of ketchup, 1/3 cup chili sauce, and this chili sauce is tangy. It's like it's not having a single chili in it. 4 tablespoons raw sugar. You can use brown sugar. 2 tablespoons natural sweet golden syrup, aka honey. 1 teaspoon red chili flakes and 1 teaspoon salt. Now mix it to make it homogeneous. Okay, our chicken is marinated enough. Coat it with 6 tablespoons corn flour. Corn flour make everything very crispy, like popcorn. Am I doing the right comparison? I don't know. So after coating it, dust off the excess flour and fry it into a pan with hot oil. Fry them on medium-high flame for 6 to 8 minutes or until they get light golden color or little bit crispy. Let it cool down for 10 minutes. Again, it's time of their testimony. Fry them for a second time for like 4 to 5 minutes on medium high flame until they get more crispy and more golden color. Sorry for my camera quality, but I can't do anything about it because I'm broke, so bear it with me. So here we have crispy chicken. Now add the sauce into the pan and heat it up. Add the chicken and coat the every inch of chicken with sauce. Keep the flame low. Do not burn the sauce, okay? Please subscribe to my channel and subscribe to other good channels. Now it's time to eat. It's spicy, very spicy, but not like you're gonna die, but you're gonna enjoy. I'm gonna give this recipe 9 out of 10 because it's crispy, spicy, a little bit sweet, and what else should I say? Saucy. So thank you. Bye.
Baby, you give me ice and fire.